Welcome members to this morning session. Let's pray. The Almighty God, who in your wisdom and goodness have appointed the officers of leaders and county assemblies for the welfare of society and the just government of the people, we beseech you to behold with your abundant favor as your servants, whom you have been pleased to call to the performance of important trusts in this republic. Let your blessings descend upon us here, assemble, and grant that we treat and consider all matters that shall come under our deliberation in so just and faithful a manner as to promote your honor and glory and to advance the peace, prosperity, and welfare of our county and of those whose interest you have committed to our charge. Amen. Thank you, honorable members, and welcome to this morning session, Wednesday, the 6th August 2025. Clerk, order of business.
Order number 1, administration of oath.
Next.
Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Honorable members, I have around 3 communications to make, but I'll begin with one. Honorable members, I am in receipt of a communication from the leader of majority party, the Honorable Philip Rono, concerning the removal of Honorable Gilbert Nyatich as a member of the Assembly's Business Committee. Members, I refer to the above matter that pursuant to the Standing Order 165-1-4 of Kericho County Assembly, standing orders the Kericho County Assembly Majority Party with immediate effect withdraws the nomination of Honorable Gilbert Nyatich to be a member of the County Assembly Business Committee and replaces him with Honorable Philip Mutai, and these changes takes effects immediately. Thank you, members. Clerk, next order.
Order number 3, messages.
Next.
Order number 4, petitions.
Next.
Order number 5, papers.
Next.
Order number 6, notices of motion.
The Honorable Chairman for Health Services, Honorable Eric B.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, this morning for giving me an opportunity just to give a notice of motion that this House approve the report on the approval hearing of the Kericho County Hospital Management Committee. Thank you.
We also have another notice of motion by the Chair, Committee on Water and Sanitation. Yes, Vice Chair or any member of that committee, you are at liberty to move the notice.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I beg to move the motion on the Joint Committee on Water and Sanitation Environment report on implementation of FLOCA programs as the member to Environment.
Thank you, the Honorable Matthew. Next order of business, Clerk.
Order number 7, questions and statements.
Next.
Order number 8, motion by the Chairman of Health Services Committee.
Take your floor, Chair.
Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me to move the motion on the report on the approval hearing of the Kericho County Hospital Management Committee. Mr. Speaker, sir, you'll allow me to go straight to page 3.0, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, the approval hearing of the Kericho County Hospital Management Committee. That is as per the Act which was approved 2021, Mr. Speaker. In according to the approval hearing, the Committee on Health Services examined the nominee against the criteria amongst others as set out in the Kericho County Public Appointment, that is County Assembly Approval Act 2017, the Kericho Health Service Act 2021, and Kericho Assembly Standing Order Mr. Speaker. The criteria are as follows. Number 1, academic qualification. 2, the professional qualification. The Kericho County Hospital Management Committee, Mr. Speaker, the following appears before the committee on 17th July 2025, as per the advertisement dated 10 July 2025, against the positions they were nominated to represent. 1, Mr. Speaker, sir, Kericho County Referral Hospital, whereby the nominee Eric Koros, who is the chair, holds a bachelor's degree, Mr. Speaker, and has an experience of 5 years. Number 2, Reverend Andrew Tum, a member, Mr. Speaker, which represents the category of BWD, Mr. Speaker, has an experience of over 5 years. Number 3, nominee, Mr. Speaker, is Ellen Ngeno, who is also a member and a professional body by NANK. She holds a master's degree and has an experience of 5 years. Mr. Speaker, sir, CBA Joseph Langat, who is a member and was nominated by the professional body, ISPAC, and he has an experience of over 5 years. Mr. Speaker, sir, move to Kapkatet County Referral Hospital, whereby we were given a nominee of Kipkemoi Cheriot, who is the chair. The same nominee, Mr. Speaker, holds a master's degree, and he is a CPA expert to level 4, level K, and has an experience of 5 years. Mr. Speaker, sir, number 6 is Pastor Vincent Kirui. He has been appointed by the FBO, Mr. Speaker, and Church HEC, who is a member and has an experience of 5 years. Mr. Speaker, number 7 is Dr. Deborah Langat, who is a member. She was appointed by an NGO, and she has a master's degree and over 5 years experience. We have a Plaston Oko, a Philip member, and Mr. Speaker, he was nominated by a professional body, KMMA, and he holds a degree, bachelor's degree, has a over 5 years experience. Mr. Speaker, number 3 is a Londiani Sub-County Hospital, whereby we have a nominee by the name Paul Chumba Kipketeri, who is the chair, Mr. Speaker, and the same nominee holds a master's degree of over 5 years. Mr. Speaker, sir, I think I'll put a clarity on the same on this nominee, Mr. Speaker. They are not earning any stipend, but they only sit for 3 sessions, 1 year, within a 1 year, Mr. Speaker, meaning they're only having 3 sittings per year. So that is why I'm giving out the nominee. The qualification was just for formality, Mr. Speaker. So number 10, Philip Terer, who is a member and was appointed by an NGO. The same person holds a bachelor degree and has a higher diploma in clinical medicine and surgery. Mr. Speaker, he has worked for over 5 years. Mr. Speaker, we have Alfred Langat, who is also a member, who was nominated by the professional body called AFOC, and he has a master's degree and has an over 5 years experience. The same, number 12, Mr. Speaker, is Irene Cherono, a member also. She's a finance expert, and of course, she holds a bachelor degree and over 5 years experience. We move to Singawet Sub-County Hospital, Mr. Speaker. Chair Andrew Kimutai. Kimutai has a bachelor's degree, and he has worked in various institutions for over 5 years, and he has experience of 5 years, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, number 14, Carol Ngetich, also nominated by FBO, and of course, Mr. Speaker, she's a member. She has a degree, a bachelor's degree, and over 5 years experience practice, as Mr. Speaker. Number 15, Daniel Rono. Daniel Rono also was appointed by an NGO, and he has a master's degree and is a member. And of course, he has more than 5 years experience in his practice. To number 16, Simeon Sigay is a member, and Mr. Speaker, 6th August 2025. And order, honorable members, order. And we shall proceed with the order of business this afternoon. Clerk, order number 1.
Order number 1, administration of oath.
Next order.
Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Honorable members, before we continue, let me acknowledge the presence of the fourth estate, that is our media, as well as the members of the public who are in gallery, those who are following us. You are most welcome as we proceed with our afternoon sitting. On behalf of the County Assembly and myself, you are most welcome. Honorable members, I have a communication to make. This is communication from the chair. Honorable members, I hereby give the following notice. Notice to show cause for failure to attend 8 consecutive sittings of the County Assembly. Honorable members, the records of the County Assembly indicate that the following honorable members have failed to attend 8 consecutive sittings of the Assembly during the current session without written permission of the Speaker, contrary to provision of Article 194(1)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. 1. The Honorable Noela Opile. 2. Honorable Winnie Langat. 3. Honorable Isaac Metker. 4. Honorable Dominic Mutai. And 5. Honorable Bavina Serem. Honorable members, the said constitutional provision states the office of a member of a county assembly becomes vacant if during any session of the assembly the member is absent from 8 sittings without permission in writing of the Speaker of the assembly and is unable to have a satisfactory explanation to the relevant committee of the assembly. Honorable members, in view of the above, the said members are hereby required to show cause in writing within 7 days from the date of this communication why their seats should not be declared vacant pursuant to the cited provisions. Honorable members, kindly direct your written explanation to the office of the Speaker and copy the same to the Committee on Powers and Privileges, which will consider your submission and make appropriate recommendations. Honorable members, to those who are affected, failure to respond within the stipulated time will lead to further action as guided by the Constitution and the standing orders of this Assembly. Signed by myself, Right Honorable Dr. Patrick Mutai, Speaker of the County Assembly of Kericho. I hope the members that I have mentioned are here. If not here, clerk, you are directed to ensure that they receive this communication before the close of business. This, that is today being 6th August 2025. Honorable Noela Opile, Honorable Winnie Langat, Honorable Isaac Metker, Honorable Dominic Mutai, Honorable Bavina Serem. Clerk, next order.
Order number 3, messages.
Next order.
Order number 4, petitions.
Next.
Order number 5, papers.
Next.
Order number 6, notices of motion by Honorable Kiprotich Rogon.
Honorable Kiprotich Rogon, honorable members, before Honorable Kiprotich proceeds, I know you have already received your order paper of this afternoon, and there is a notice of motion by Honorable Kiproti Chirogony, the member of County Assembly, the member of the County Assembly representing the people of Sigawit Ward, to give notice to the motion for impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Eric Koech, the Governor of Kericho County. Honorable members, as you are aware, the standing orders are very clear that when there is such a motion of removal from office by impeachment, the motion supersedes the other motion. And that is why we are giving the Honorable Kiproti Chirogony time so that he can move his motion as per the standing orders. Proceed to give notice. Honorable Kiproti Chirogony.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to give notice of motion. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Speaker, I beg, with the support of the members of the County Assembly of Kericho, the County Assembly, whose names and signatures I have annexed here too, as Annexure 1, to move the motion for impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Eric Koech Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County, for number 1, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya. Roman number 2, gross violation of various national and county laws. Roman number 3, serious reasons for believing that the governor has committed crimes under national law. Roman number 4, abuse of office. And Roman number 5, gross misconduct. Mr. Speaker, sir, the specific grounds of the motion are organized thematically as Roman number 1 outlined below, and Roman number 2 elaborated in the ensuing pages of this motion. Mr. Speaker, sir, the evidence in support of the motion is set out in number 1, my affidavit in support of the motion duly sworn in on 5th of August 2023. Roman number 2, 2025. Roman number 2, the exhibits annexed to my affidavit in support of the motion. Roman number 3, the witness statements and affidavits to be presented at the hearing of this motion. Further, the affidavit presented herewith verifies the accuracy and reliability of the exhibits of, to the motion. Mr. Speaker, whereas number 1, Article 2 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, herein the Constitution restates the supremacy of the Constitution as the supreme law of the Republic and binds all persons and the state organs at both levels of governments. Number 2, Article 10 of the Constitution, Section 3 and 16 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and Section 9, Section 10, and Section 12 of the Public Officer Ethics Act 2003 establish, among others, the rule of law, democracy, human dignity, courtesy, respect, social justice, inclusiveness, equality, human rights, probity, professionalism, non-discrimination, protection of the marginalized, good governance, transparency, and accountability as part of the national values and principles of governance. Number 3, Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution requires the state officers at all times, whether in public or private life, to behave in a manner that inter alia, number 1, brings honor to the nation and dignity of the office that a state officer holds. Roman number 2, portrays selfless service based solely on the public interest, demonstrated by honesty in execution of public duties and declaration of any personal interest that may conflict with public interest. Roman number 3, ensures decisions made by the state officer are not influenced by nepotism, favorism, and improper motives. Demonstrate discipline and commitment in service to the people. And Roman number 4, avoid demeaning the office of the state officer holds. Established the county revenue fund and clearly stipulates that money shall not be withdrawn from the revenue fund unless the controller of budget has approved. Number 10.
Order.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker.
The Honorable do you require some water so that you...
In fact, Mr. Speaker, I need some water right here.
Because you have jumped from page number, from number 3 to number 10.
Sorry, Mr. Speaker. Whoever was doing this,
and they answered.
I realized they made a mistake.
So therefore, I direct that you start with number 4, and the answered, of course, to note that.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for guidance, and sorry for the mishap. Number 4, by dint of Section 11 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, enjoins the governor as the state officer to treat members of the public and other public officer with courtesy and respect. And further, by dint of Section 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, the governor, being a state officer, is precluded from bullying any person by engaging in a behavior that is vindictive, cruel, malicious, humiliating, and is intended to undermine a person. Number 5, Article 73(2)(d) and E of the Constitution provides for the accountability of a state officer to the public for all decisions made in exercise of the powers of the office they hold, and that accountability is a critical principle of leadership and integrity. Number 6, Articles 10, 232, 235, and 236 of the Constitution, and Sections 59, 59A, 60, 62, 63, 64, and 65 of the County Governments Act 2012 provides for the values and principles of public service, and establish an elaborate framework for establishment of county public offices and the recruitment, employment, and dismissal of county public officers. Number 7, Article 79(4) of the Constitution reaffirms the governor's position as the chief executive of the county. Hence, the Constitution and the law vests a responsibility for decision-making and ensuring the well-being of the county on the governor. This is a strong expression of the county governor's commitment and expectation to provide effective leadership, strategic vision, and direction to the county in ensuring efficient and prudent use of public resources for the good of the county. Number 8, Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order number 74 of Standing Orders of the County Assembly of Kericho provides for the impeachment of the governor on grounds of gross violation of the Constitution, gross violation of other written laws, where there are serious reasons for believing that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law, gross misconduct, and abuse of office. Number 9, Article 201, 205, and 207 of the Constitution forms a constitutional basis that guide the counties in raising and utilizing public finances. In particular, Article 207 established the County Revenue Fund and clearly stipulates that money shall not be withdrawn from the Revenue Fund unless the Controller of Budget has approved. Number 10, Section 33 of the County Governments Act obligates the governor to provide leadership in county governance be accountable for management and use of county resources, and to promote, amongst others, good governance and competitiveness of the county. Number 11, the governor has in various instances failed to take charge and rein on the rot, corruption, and unethical practices in the county. Instead, the governor has deliberately aided, abetted, condoned, and encouraged the misuse, misappropriation, misallocation, wanton theft, and pilferage of county finances. Number 12, the governor has in multiple occasions directly and indirectly engaged in acts and conduct which severally and collectively constitutes a gross violation of the Constitution, gross violation of other written laws, gross misconduct and abuse of office. Number 13, by his acts and conduct, the governor has exposed the office of the governor, the assembly, and the people of Kericho to ridicule, embarrassment, shame, and disrepute. Number 14, the conduct of the governor has been scandalous and embarrassing to the high office of the county governor, an office held in public trust and whose authority ought to be exercised in a manner consistent with the purpose and objects of the Constitution. Number 15, the conduct of the governor has made it impossible for the county to be governed as it ought to be, compromised service delivery, jeopardized the functions of both arms of government, county government of Kericho, and it has therefore become untenable for the governor to continue being in office. Number 16, the governor has variously committed constitutional wrongs